Hey guys, what's going on? I want to show you something I got just today in the mail. I got in on the first order of these, and it's something that really piqued my interest as soon as I saw it, and I wanted to get it immediately. The very first run they did, they were sold out, and I think it was brought to the attention of the company, and they put some more out. So first off, shout out Camden Plumbing, Electric and Supply. Shout out to Tactical Response, my dudes down in Camden, and to Twin Unicorn Designs, who made this badass hoodie. If you don't know who Twin Unicorn Designs is, go over and check out their website. They make some of the most badass shirts out there, hoodies and all kinds of stuff, patches. If I think of something else, I may just randomly blurt that out too. But anyway, what I got in the mail was the new Special Operations Equipment NFAK. NFAK means Neck First Aid Kit. And so what this is it's just a small pouch that is meant to hold the bare minimum trauma kit that you would need for any kind of serious injury. So as you can see, you have the big pressure bandage here. This is an old Israeli bandage. Has a spot for a tourniquet. This is the soft T. You can also put a cat tourniquet in there. My cat tourniquet was a little bit loose. I would probably have to stage it a little different for it to stay in there very well. Also have a spot for a chest decompression needle and a nasopharyngeal airway. And then in the back little pouch here is a spot for a chest seal, which I have a chest seal back there, and then I've just got a pair of shears thrown in there. But it's in, you might not be able to see it very well, it's in multicam black, which I think is a really cool pattern. And it's got this long piece of paracord attached to it. And what that's meant to do is you can grab it, throw it around your neck, and wear it like that, and it kind of just hangs down like an ID badge carrier. Or if you have to walk a distance, you can take it and sling it just like a pack, and now you have a lightweight trauma kit that you can swing around and grab your stuff out and use it as you need to. John, like I said, started making these, I think Wednesday is when I ordered it, and by the time I even heard about it, they had only made 24, and by the time I had even heard about it, it was sold out. So I was on one of his live streams, and somebody brought it to his attention that they were sold out, and he told the dudes, hey, put more on the computer in inventory, and we're going to cut and sew some more. So I immediately ordered as soon as I heard that happen, and I got it in today. And man, this thing is awesome. If you know anything about special operations equipment, you know that it's built to last. As John says, it's got a lifetime warranty that you'll never use. So this stuff is absolutely bomb-proof. They also threw in something else, which I was pretty excited about. Now, I'm not a big patch guy. I don't buy and collect patches and stuff. I don't have like a wall hanger or anything like that. I've got some patches that come with stuff, but I normally don't buy patches. But last time I was at SOE, this patch caught my eye, and I almost bought one. But I was like, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with it. You know, I don't really wear patches or put them on a whole lot of things. I've got some patches on stuff, but this was my favorite one, and it caught my eye immediately. And it's the SOE Halloween pumpkin patch. Now, I love Halloween. Halloween is one of my two favorite times of the year. The other time is Christmas. I know I'm a complicated individual, but I saw this, and I love anything to do with pumpkins, man. Halloween time, when all the pumpkins start coming out, like it makes my spirit happy. And so I almost got this. I didn't get one, and it's so weird that they just threw this in there today, because this is my absolute favorite SOE patch. So anyway, guys, that is the NFAK. If you're looking for a small, absolutely lightweight, bare minimum med kit that you can just throw on and go if you need to, just, you know, sling it over your head and go. I think this is going to be your best option, man. This thing is really cool, and it's got on the back here, it's got some loop, so you can attach it to different things, or you can even attach different stuff to it. And yeah, so that's it, man. I think it's really neat, and even though I have another trauma kit in my truck, this is going to stay in my truck as well, and that way, if I need to get somewhere really fast without being weighed down for whatever reason, I will grab this and throw it around my neck, and I will go. So, guys, if you're going to carry anything that induces trauma, you need stuff that will fix trauma, because you can win a gunfight and still get hurt. or God forbid one of your family members get hurt. So you need to have stuff on hand to help them, because ambulance response times in a lot of areas are not great. So it would be really terrible to sit there and see one of your kids or your wife or your husband or someone bleed out because there's no help anywhere nearby. So make sure you always have something on hand to take care of those problems. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Find me on Facebook at DocBen556. And remember, violence isn't always the answer, but sometimes it's the only answer.